I kicked it with my ingrown toenail and it hurt so bad.
Oh no. It's fine. I got it.
Oh yeah, it's fine as long as you don't fucking hoof it. Oh.
You gotta cut it and rip it out.
I was good. Now it's not good.
Go to the doctor.
Quit giving me solutions. Just be my friend and be here for me.
Oh, it's sad. I know it hurts.
Okay, I'm better now. Let's see. We're gonna start on this end here. You know, the one thing I'm worried about with these glasses is at some point they're gonna expose me with some excessive heavy breathing, which is fine, you know, because I'm a hard worker, but it's not fine when it's just from light tasks. Alright, put that in there so I can reach in one day and fucking slice my finger off. I'm not lying, 59 1/4.
It is 8:30. Should see y'all about 11, yeah?
Yeah.
Huh? Yeah, about 11. Okay. Yeah, alright, I'm going.
Alright, good luck. We'll be there. And there he goes. His first step to retirement. What?
I'm attack. You ready?
Yeah. Alright. That's it. We are the goobers. You know, it's a little off, but might as well match it. About right there. Yep. Come down here, right there. When you stick these, you always kind of want them like right there. Because this one might have to tuck under a little bit. You there? Okay. No tuck. No tucky. $25 5/8. Good shit. Hey. Yeah. Sniped you? Yeah. Alright, we are ready to case out and start putting pickets on, brother. Hell yeah. No, I don't screw these. This is temporary. That's a little split right there. Go ahead and put it out. Did you see that, Waylon? It is. Safety man, wait, let's miss. CEO, deck man retired. Look, if the pacifier fits, wear it. Mama. Oh my God. That's so funny. Yeah, already. Let's go. Let's go. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and cut our heights. Always cedar for your gate frames. It's lighter, it doesn't go crazy. A little more expensive, but way better than service calls. Let's build a gate. Hold on. Alright. That feels good. Oh, it's ready. Okay. Right there. Just gonna go this way, so I'm not gonna put one there yet. Just gonna go ahead and put 3 of these in. All right, this needs to be exactly strong 49 to flex it. All right. You say when.
All right. I have a question.
What's up?
So, I know it's possible. It's possible to do about any fucking thing. Any
Yeah.
way you want to, but would it be convenient when you, especially if you got 2 people like right now,
Mm-hmm.
get your hinge boards on here,
Yeah.
and go
Hang the frame.
motherfucker.
Well, every time, so that's why I focus so hard on making that top level.
Yeah.
That way we can do it like this. When we have extreme grades and stuff, then I'll put your first 2 boards on or whatever, hinge it, then hang your frame, and then run your line, and then run it on the gate too. But it sucks because when your gate's swinging and stuff,
Yeah.
it's kind of a bitch. But when you have a perfectly flat application, this is the only way to do it. But yeah, you'll see there's a lot of times we do hang the frame and then truck on from there. But yeah, if it's straight, this is just way easier because then you got to find something to prop the gate with, and it swings and it don't stay in line with your string, and it's just a bitch. All right, let's pull this guy out just here. Yeah, right there. Yeah, shut that.
One-finger operation.
And look at the height once it's closed. Absolutely perfect. Alright. Alright. And this is why Daddy marks his thing. Yeah. Oh, that margin's so good.
You want the... See that bottom latch?
Here, you take this. And you take this. Alright, no, that's the same. I'm just hit it. Oh my god, that is a wrap. Success.